everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and our planting tip of the day is make sure you water the soil before planting. We're going to show you why. So this planter here is dry. We haven't watered this basket yet. One thing we always do is throw our fertilizer in first. I'll do that with both baskets. So we put the fertilizer in and it's time to plant. Now, a lot of people ask us, why do we water the basket first? So if we're gonna plant in this pot, I have my dibble board here. This is just a stamp we make for the pattern that we're going to put our plants in. Now, you can kind of see where it goes. It is quite difficult though to see that pattern. And we're gonna go ahead and plant the plants in. It's harder to make the divot or the hole where we put the plants in if it's dry. I'm just putting these in quickly for the demonstration. It's really important that our plants are planted level and we don't get excess soil up on the stem. What happens is a lot of plants are actually susceptible to root rot, and it is difficult to get things at the right level. So if we go ahead and water this now, we might have air pockets that settle, or water forcing the soil to settle on top of that stem. And it's just a little bit more difficult to be accurate, and we really value accuracy. So I'm gonna set this one aside, and I do see some soil settling on those stems. And here's the basket that we pre-moistened the soil. I've gone ahead, put the fertilizer in. We're gonna give that a stamp. It's easier to see our stamp area now because it's moistened. And for planting, it's easier to have that level. And we want to have really healthy plants, really strong baskets. So by doing this, we just end up with a better result. We have less loss in our baskets, which is really important to us. And now when we go ahead and plant, or go ahead and water, because it has already been watered, it has probably gotten rid of any air pockets that might have been there. So there you have it. That's why we water them first. Let's take a look at the first one. So, don't know how well you can see it, but this plug was covered by soil. So then we would have to go back, lift it up, and press the soil down around. So this was a basket that was dry. That's why we wet every single thing that we plant. We water it down first, give it 30 seconds to kind of settle the water, and then you're good to go. So that's your planting tip for the day. Have a great day, guys.
When you're